Clay County in southwestern North Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hayesville, moving northwest at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hayesville and Tusquity. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Morristown. Call 911. What? For the excessive heat warning, dangerous for hot conditions with heat index values around 100 degrees. For the advisory on the National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County in north central Georgia, west central Henry County in north central Georgia, southwestern Clayton County in north central Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over J.W. Smith Reservoir, or near Fayetteville, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Jonesboro, Peachtree City, Hampton, Tyrone, Lovejoy, Brooks, Woolsey, Stars Mill, Eman, Bonanza, Atlanta Motor Speedway, J.W. Smith Reservoir, Lake Horton, and Iredale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. At 5 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly sunny. 97 degrees, dew point 69, relative humidity 40%, producing a heat index of 103. Wind east at 9 miles. Southeastern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, northwestern Upson County in west central Georgia, north central Talbot County in west central Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Crest, or 8 miles northwest of Thomaston, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Thomaston, Manchester, Woodbury, Molina, Sunset Village, School Bluff State Park, Crest, Sunnyside, Atwater, The Sea Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. For the Lupton and Wadsworth. Source, radar indicated. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage, roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted northeast, northwest, and west central Georgia, including Springs State Park and Blount. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. This advisory is for the following counties in Georgia, Lumpkin and White. What? Heat index values between 105 and 109 degrees. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, northwest, and west central Georgia. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses to occur. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Never be left. Thunderstorm was located near Lone Oak, Oregon, 8 miles north of Greenville, moving west at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Meriwether County and west central Georgia, southwestern Pike County and west central Georgia, northwestern Elkton County and west central Georgia until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Molina, or 10 miles southwest of England, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour in gust and quarter-size hail. 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Under any circumstances. Thunderstorm warning for southern Randolph County in east central Alabama, Chambers County in east central Alabama until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Thesis to Amity Park, moving west at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valley, Leonard, Roanoke, Red Valley, Lafayette, Stroud, Lafayette, Wadley, Woodland, Waverly, Lakeview, 5 Points, Cosetta, Malone, Post Oak Forks, Denson, Riverview, Amity Park, Sturkey, and Abanda. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Strong thunderstorms will impact. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, western Barlow County in northwestern Georgia until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingston, Oregon, 9 miles east of Rome, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rome, Harley, Kingston, and Shannon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Thunderstorm watch number 374, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Chambers and Randolph. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know a weather commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Birmingham.
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union Springs, Midway, Pickett, Aberfoyle, Spring Hill, Comer, Marlborough County. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Rabun County in northeastern Georgia until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Tacoma to 6 miles southeast of Clark-Hesville, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Clark-Hesville, Cornelia, Baldwin, Dave Morris, Mount Airy, Aldo, Tallulah Falls, Lake Rabun, Lake Burton, and Batesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, WWH23 Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Producing a heat index of 90.
Your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Haralson County in northwestern Georgia.
Motors with down payment assistance up to $2,000. Rates starting at just 1.9%.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Butler County, southwestern Crenshaw County, Covington County, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of Rutledge to 12 miles north of Ghent to 3 miles northwest of Dozier to Opp, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour.